Everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in the oven today. I'm remaking what I made yesterday with a little twist. Okay, so this is not chicken breast, this is chicken thigh. Don't know what Chickenzilla they got it off of, but hey, not mad at that. There are 4 pats of unsalted butter. There's some garlic, balsamic glaze, and 1 small can of red enchilada sauce. So I'm going to let that cook on 450. Since this is the regular pan, I don't have to worry about, like not having it on 450, because my ceramic, you can't put it on 450. Anyway, so I'm going to put this in the oven and we'll be back with some other steps. Okay, so let me show you what I do with one of my favorite kitchen tools now. My favorites. No longer having to just stand around and cut. If you have the chance to get one of these tools, do it. Trust me, this will save you time in the kitchen. A lot of time. And the silicone on this is just sharp enough to take care of the meat but not cut through anything else, so which is great. Now yesterday I used a ranch packet on this, but even the store brand ranch packet was just for a freaking packet was like $3. That's ridiculous. A ranch packet. So I'm like, you know what? Let me take another twist on this while I'm doing this, right? Basically, just do that. I swear, y'all, like, we should have more chicken in the pan. Maybe we do. Maybe it's just hidden in there. But, so I'm going to finish cutting this up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some rice in here. And the beans. Rice and the beans. And that jar of queso. Christine, Life with Christine. If you can find her, you go to her channel. If you can find a gluten-free version of queso, try it. They say I'm not supposed to eat cheese, but I'm not giving up my Tillamook though. And I've got a lot of recipes with that queso that I do buy. Anyway, that one's going to be difficult, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we have a box of instant pre-cooked fragrant jasmine rice. I get this at the Aldi. They just don't have as much in there as they used to. Now you might think this is weird because I'm going to add 2 different starches to this. It's not weird. Why is it not weird? I'm just going to use this kind of stirred in there. Now this rice is just going to instantly start puffing up as I'm adding everything else in there. So we want to add 2 cans of chili bean. Okay, this will all get stirred around in a moment. And like I said, if you're not supposed to eat dairy, look, I know I'm not supposed to, but I'm also not going to give it up. Screw that. Your diced tomatoes with green chilies. In order to get this for 99 cents, I had to buy 3. Tell me where that makes sense, price gougers. cheap. So sick of the price gouge. Anyway, who isn't? So, your 1 jar of queso. Let's go like this. Just queso, make it in there. Then we will scrape that out. Make sure that you get as much as possible. Like I said, if you can find dairy-free queso, you do that. Is that the artificial cow, like the artificially intelligent cow that makes, I'm just gonna joke on that, that makes the dairy-free, free the cow. Oh my gosh, dairy used to be such a priority. Anybody remember that? So, kind of spread it like that. And then I'm going to put this in. Let that rice really get up in there. I'm going to wash that. Let that rice really get up in there. And then we'll go back with, after I put some tater tots over the top. What? Yes. I realized I forgot to show you what it looked like before putting potatoes on it. Anyway, we'll be back with the finished product. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm going to scoop some of that out in a minute. I know we got some hangry people in this house. You do. That's why I keep the foil, so I keep this covered. So let's dish some up. Show you what it looks like in the bowl. Oh, that's some thick goodness because of the rice and the enchilada sauce. So this might end up tasting like an enchilada, which would not be a bad thing. And if you can tell, they actually soaked up that cheese. Now I didn't add extra cheese to it, even though we're cheesy people in this house. I think that queso was just enough cheese. Ooh, yummy. Look at that. That totally absorbed that. Got to get a good food shot there, right, with the camera. Even here. So I'm going to dish up the rest and we'll be right back. Okay, you know this is gluten-free. And yes, there's guacamole on here. Now it's not the Aldi brand, but so now that we are in the living room, this looks so delicious. How is it, Steve?
Good.
Do you think this guac tastes different? Maybe it's just me because I have my days.
It does taste different.
But that, I drizzled some balsamic glaze on the top of it. Christine, try adding some balsamic into your daily diet. Trust me, I do it. You won't regret that. It does actually try to help with speeding up your metabolism. I thought I didn't get all this chicken cut up. I guess I didn't. Sorry about that. That right there. That's some yum. That is some yummy. What do you think, Rob?
It's good.
So anyway, when you want to cook a healthy but economically sound dinner or a meal for any time of the day, because you know people around the world, they eat this all times of the day. Whatever is left over, we heat up and we literally eat that for breakfast, because why not? Don't let your food go to waste. You can eat your dinner for breakfast. You eat breakfast for dinner, so why not? That's some good stuff right there. If you can't handle the spicy, don't worry about that. You don't necessarily have to put the spicy stuff in there. That's perfectly fine. You do what accommodates your needs. But when it comes down to great food, remember to stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Gonna eat the rest of this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.